Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your settings, then go to the accessibility section, then go to the TalkBack. Here you can enable this feature. After you tap OK, the TalkBack tutorial will start and it will talk non-stop, so like you won't hear me anymore, you will only hear the screen reader. Okay. Why are you so...
TalkBack on. TalkBack tutorial. Ring. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. Back button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. TalkBack. Navigate up button.
Okay,
double
so
tap
basically,
to activate.
if you want to disable this feature, you have to like double tap everything to communicate with it. So to disable it.
On. Switch. Alert stop TalkBack. Okay. TalkBack off.
And that's how you can turn this off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.